Okay, for the first question on how many we're targeting 3,000 and plus. So, 3,000 and plus, alam ko baka sabihin nyo mahirap, pero andyan yung mga runners natin, sobrang natutuwa ako. Grabe. Alam ko hahatak sila. Yes. Bakit 3,000? Because we're actually adding dun sa target ng IMB Can Help Alliance, which is 10,000. So kami, ano lang kami, just an iota of their target. Last time, they did already 5,000, no? So, tinimes to nila, but the other 7,000 will be divided into the different islands. So, gagawa rin sila ng plugging. Pero, iba't iba yon, no? Iba't iba yon. So, the 3,000 is only in Taguig, that will happen in Lakeshore. Where are we right now? We're still below 1,000. Humbly, no? So, with your help, and the focus, kasi lagi kong sinasabi yan, cost-focused yung run. This is not about, you know, being all with the pictures and being all with the what do you call this, the target, you know, kasi pag ganun ako, aminado ako, when I run, na-beat ko ba yung target ko? Lagi akong ganun. It's nice, but this time, it's not what, you know, what the sponsors can give us. May mga free ganyan, free ganito, okay lang yon. But this time, let's reverse the situation. What we, runners, can give the country, Taguig, pag nakita niyo yung Lakeshore, di ba, Nika? Sobrang dumi. Maganda dito, but the shore, the Lakeshore, kaya nga dami doon dalawang basura, di ba? Ay, mamaya, tingnan niyo yung vlog ko. Ay, sorry. Gems Green Box, it's there. May BTS kami doon. And then I asked, sorry I have to say this. I asked the mga tinderos nila, ate, ba't po kayo nagtatapon doon sa dagat? Sabi niya, ay, may kukuha niya? Okay lang. If we have that kind of attitude of, you know, passing on the baton and the responsibility to another person, and to another person, and to the LGU, and ganyan, and we don't have the responsibility of not throwing trash, then where will be the hope of the country? Isn't it? No? So, this is the kind of message we are giving to everyone, not just people here, but to everyone, that the responsibility of keeping our country clean, hindi po imposible maging second Japan, second Singapore. Kaya natin, only if we do it here, not for this, not for the money, but do it because we want our country to be clean. Sa totoo lang, I've been to 19 countries. I always go back to the Philippines because there is a lot of hope. Marami. But we have to love our country first. Mama, yung second question mo.
Is there an LGU na?
Yeah, definitely. Taguig is very much involved here. From the police, from Mablani, they know about this. No? And we're very, very, very happy that you know, we are supported. I took some photos of the river. Nagulat ako, the height of the typhoon nung nakalipas. They were cleaning the river. Nagulat ako sa tuwa ko, ang linis. Kasi tumakbo ko, yung pagbalik ko, ng 13 kilometers, inulan na ako. Yun yung 2 weeks ago, di ba? Yung sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, sabi ko, wow. And nagulat ako that there were like neon-colored, you know, raincoats na mga tao doon. So, ko, ano ba itong mga ito? They were cleaning the river. So, whose mandate is that? From the leader. Uulitin ko, at the end of the day, we are all leaders to ourselves. If you only try to make this as a responsible move. Isn't it?
Yes.
Am I right or am I right?
Right.
We're collaborating actually with IMICA, no, with regards to the eco bags. No, we're still thinking, kasi ako gusto ko talaga eco bags para hindi plastic. Kaya lang biodegradable daw yung plastic na ibibigay ng IMICA. So I'm thinking of using both actually, no, para mas marami tayo. Kasi it's very, very cheap, no. Pero kung gusto yung mag-sponsor, wala namang problema. Diba? Yun, do we provide gloves? No. No. Because I pick up trash, I don't care. No? we don't have gloves when we throw the trash, isn't it? So, why can't you pick up your own trash? So, sabihin natin, it's not my trash. It is our trash. You are in the Philippines. You are in Taguig. You are in your country. Make your country clean. So, pick up those trash.
Alright, next question.
Basura, yes. Marami, sorry, ma'am, can I continue? Sorry. We have winners, first, second, third, pinakamabigat na basura. So, finish line, I think Sir Vince just forgot to make mention. So, finish line, and then isasubmit yung trash bag. Yun, iwi-weigh nila, ting, 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 may eco points ka na. Ngayon, I believe don't get me wrong, mukhang magdadala din sila ng groceries to palit. But I have to make sure of that. Don't quote me muna. But yes, padamihan ng basura, pabigatan ng basura. Your concern is very correct. Everything that is recyclable. As mentioned earlier, I think it's in the mechanics also. You can check Plug the Planet Philippines. That's our page in Facebook. You can definitely put everything, like all the 7 grades of plastics, no? Kung may makukuha tayong mga papel or mga cardboard, that'll be great. That'll be great, no? That'll be great. Pero lahat ng plastic definitely ilalagay doon. Huwag lang yung kapitbahay doon.
Sorry, mahaba.
Wala problema. Thank you for that question. Just to clarify, tama-tama lang kasi yun yung talagang part ng mechanics namin, no? So, ano ba yung fund? Yung fund run doon is that number 1, isa sa mga ilalagay namin doon sa singlet, doon sa race kit, is that they will have certificate of Mangrove Matters PH that they have contributed, a part of whatever they have paid for the registration, they will receive a certificate from MMPH, that they have contributed in planting mangroves. Not just in Negros, but planting mangroves in the Philippines. That's number 1. Another part of the fun run will be yung eco badge nila. So, hindi ka magpo-focus dun sa magpipick up ka lang ng basura, paramihan. No, it's not that. May extend namin for the whole month. I think just to make it more clarified. Kasi sinabi ni Sir Vince kanina, you will be part automatically of the Eco Marathon. So, even though hindi mo makumpleto dun sa bag mo, yung, let's say, like, one of the concerns that they have when we were talking about it, ma'am, paano yung 1 kilometer wala ng basura? Kasi 10 kilometers lang, ubus na. And most of our runners na nag-register are 10K. So, umaga pa lang, no more basura na. So, namin, hindi problema, sabi ni Sir Vince, because they will be included in the Eco Marathon. They'll be given a month, no? In our instruction, a week. Sabi ni Sir, hindi a month, the whole of October.
It's like more on getting the beer gold points.
Yes. So, that's number 2. Number 3, definitely, 10K, 5K, 3K, 1K, may 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. May konting cash prize, no? And then, meron kami certificate. You will see there in our sample, sweetheart, pabot naman ng medal, no? Para lang makita nila. Yan. Kasi ang cute-cute ng medal. First time ako nakakita ng ganong medal. May iba't iba akong medals, ha? Look at the medal they prepared. Oh, look at this. It's recyclable. Very beautiful, no?
And it's green.
And it's green and blue, di ba? So, very, di ba? Ganda, sir, no? Bago natin model. No? So, yun. So, kung may gusto pa mag-sponsor, we're very much open. We're very happy na Darren was texting me, Jem, we have a new sponsor. O kaya, kita mo. No? So, yeah.